Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well and welcome back to the AI Tech Explained Right channel, a place for AI professionals and enthusiasts to stay updated with AI advances. In this new video of LangChain tutorials, I will show you how to integrate chat history to retrieve relevant information from a vector store to answer to a given question. In the notebook, we will start with installing necessary packages. We will update our retrieval chain from the retrieval augmented generation video to take into consideration chat history, which is necessary when building chatbots. And at the end, we will invoke the chain to answer a question based on a given context and the chat history. So the question that we should ask here is, why chat history with retrieval? The chain that we've created in the retrieval augmented generation video can only answer single questions. One of the main types of LLM applications that people are building are chatbots. So how do we turn this chain into one that can answer follow-up questions? We can still use the create retrieval chain function from the retrieval augmented generation video, but we need to change two things. The retrieval method should now not just work on the most recent input, but rather should take the whole history into account. The final LLM chain should likewise take the whole history into account. Don't worry guys, if you feel a little bit lost, things will be more clear in the next few minutes. I won't go through these first parts of installations, importing API keys, loading data, defining the vector store and so on, as I've already talked about them in the previous videos. So let's go directly to updating the retrieval. In order to update retrieval, we'll create a new chain. This chain will take in the most recent input and the conversation history and use an LLM to generate a search query. What we say to the model here is, given the above conversation, generate a search query to look up in order to get information relevant to the conversation. We can test this out by passing in an instance where the user is asking a follow-up question. So here as chat history, we have a question which is, can LangSmith help test my LLM applications? And the answer to the question. And in the next question, we have tell me how. And here, thanks to the chat history, the model knows what we are talking about. As you see, this returns documents about testing in LangSmith. This is because the LLM generates a new query combining the chat history with the follow-up question. Now that we have this new retriever, we can create a new chain to continue the conversation with these retrieved documents in mind. We start with creating the document chain based on the LLM that we defined in the beginning and the prompt created here. And at the end, the retriever chain and the document chain are combined to return the global chain. It's to be noted guys that here we use functions like create retrieval chain to form the global chain, but I will create another video where I use LCell for LangChain expression language, where you will see that the chain combination will be more readable. We can now test this out end to end by asking the same question as earlier. We can see that we have our answer with the chat history and the context used to answer the question. And with this, we've successfully turned our retrieval chain into a chatbot. This is it guys for today. This is another video of the LangChain tutorials to initiate you to LangChain, and more videos are coming. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. Don't hesitate to put a thumb up if it's the case, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel to have more videos like this one. Don't hesitate to put a comment if you need more details on any concept about which I talked so far, and see you next time.